What's one thing about your field of expertise that almost no one agrees with you about?
That you cause your own burnout. And it's interesting when you go out on social media channels and there's a few burnout coaches or even just the psychologists that have dove into this, and it's automatically on external controls, like an employer, external pressures, like society or trying to keep up with parenting. And what I don't like about that is nothing of that discussion is in our control, which keeps us in survivorship mode, which keeps us in burnout. Is I can't control what my employer does to me, but I can control my response to that employer. And when you start to take back control and actually say, I'm 100% accountable for my burnout, then things start to change and things start to shift when you start shifting the blame from them to you, because that's what's in your control. So your employer most likely is not making you work till 10 o'clock. You are working till 10 o'clock because it makes you feel like you're being productive, or that you'll be productive tomorrow, or that you're contributing, or that you are bringing value to the corporation because that's how you were brought up. All these black holes like we've mentioned in other videos. And when you start taking back control of your own actions, you start to move out of this survivorship mode, because all those variables start to change versus the blame game of things that are completely out of reach. And so when you say, I need to take work email off my phone because I'm the one who is signing on, then imagine that your world starts to change versus my employer makes me work all the time. 9 times out of 10 in my workshops, there's not one single emergency contact that needs to be contacted 24/7. And so some companies completely do away with work email on the phone, and then some leave it up to the individuals. But again, this is where we get down to the black holes that I get into in our coaching sessions, and that's productivity guilt. That's validation, because if work doesn't need me, then who needs me? That is stress addiction, which is an interesting thing that we go through in a whole other podcast episode. And so what people don't agree with me in is that term is we're 100% accountable for our burnout.